In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to scan QR codes on Telegram. This is crucial for secure and convenient account access. Besides that, if you want to join a private chat or group but you only have a QR code to join, to scan it, simply head to your Telegram. Tap on the settings icon on your bottom right. On this page, tap on the scan icon. You won't see no option of scan QR code. To scan it, get to the QR code. You might have saved it to your gallery. Long hold in the middle of the scan. You will see the option of Open in Telegram. You can open in Safari or copy the link of the QR code as well. Now if you tap on Open in Telegram, it will directly head to the message section of the account that shared you its QR code. That's how easy it is to scan Telegram QR codes. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.